Hello, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Creative Mary here. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get cheap data from MTN. For this code to be working for you to be eligible for this particular cheap code, you need to be using your MTN SIM card for a long period of time. So if it's not working for you, that means you are new to MTN, or your MTN SIM card have not been in use for some time, or it's not up to the time that MTN will make you to be eligible for this particular cheap data. So I've been enjoying this cheap data for some time. That's why I'm up here to share with you how you can get this cheap data for yourself. All right, and if you check my YouTube channel videos, you're going to be seeing videos I've uploaded on how you can get cheap data from MTN, Airtel and Glo. So if this is the video you would like to see on your screen, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will push it out and recommend it to other people that needs to know about this cheap data from MTN. So without much being said, let's dive right into it. So now get your phone and then dial *312*1*10#. I'll take it again. *312*1*10#, and then you dial it. So after dialing it, it's going to give you options that you're going to select from. You'll see the one that best suits your plans. And then also, if you want to update your apps, you want to download videos to watch, you want to watch some live entertainment on YouTube or on TikTok, any other social media platform that you want to use this data for, you can just select any option. So as you can see, it's very good for this particular examples I just mentioned. And you must not wait till midnight for you to use this data. You can use it anytime. This one is not for midnight browsing, okay? It's for anytime. You can use it at any time. All right, so that is it, guys. Very quick, okay? So don't forget to check my other videos that you can use to get cheap data from all the network for yourselves. And also, I drop videos on how you can grow your YouTube channel, how you can get YouTube growth tips. If this video was helpful to you, you found it very valuable and helpful, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and comment on this video, share it so that YouTube will push it out and recommend it to other YouTube channels that do not know about this particular cheap MTN data. Thank you guys for watching to the end. I really appreciate. I'll be seeing you in my next video. So before I go, I want to wish all my YouTube fans out there, the ones that have subscribed and the ones that are yet to subscribe, and those that are watching my videos, liking my videos, commenting on my videos, I appreciate you all. And I want to use this opportunity to say Happy Easter in advance. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.